Hi everyone.
Hi.
You know what I was doing in my book?
What?
I was reading more about airports.
Airports. What are we going to learn about airports today?
In conveyor belt.
Oh, conveyor belts. The
Yeah.
belts that are used to take our luggages?
I hope you have been to airport. So you see now in the airport there is that conveyor belt
Yes.
where you have to put your gauges.
Yes.
That I made. But
Oh,
do you
wow.
wonder how to make it?
Yes. Can you first show me?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, I can see it's moving. Thank you, Twisha. Can you teach me how to make it?
Yeah. It is simply made. For this, you need 2 gear motors and 2 axles.
Yes.
And you need a thing. And I have this. We fit it up in the axle.
Okay, so we need a hollow thing which can go inside the axle.
Yeah. Then draw 4 circles in a scaffold and cut them and make a hole. And then put it inside it.
Okay.
And then I fix it in this. So now we need a round thing. For
Which
that-
can serve as a belt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like-
Now can you put
so
it there?
I put this. And then I put it inside it.
Okay.
Then the second 2 pieces which I have, I put it over here. Pop into another one.
Okay. Now can you switch it on and show it to me? Okay, so that is how you make it.
Yeah, you understood now about this. Come back for more fun learning. Bye bye. See you in my next video.
Bye.